Yeah.
What, Mama?
Look at all the baby geese, honey.
Yep, and Mama and Dad and brother and sister. Watch out for those rocks.
I'm gonna watch out for them.
I found where they're going.
Look at all the geese.
I found where they're going.
You found them.
And I found where they was going.
Look at them all the mommies and daddies and babies.
Hold on. Could I try to pet one?
I don't know if you can pet them, honey. They might move away. But they're little baby geese just like you.
I'm not baby.
You're not a baby, but you're not a goose either, are you?